long way from home, and I miss my loved one so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go. Out on runway number 9, big 707 said to go, and I'm stuck here on the grass where the cold winds blow. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the time went fast. Well, there she goes, my friend. There she's rolling now at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. Well, this old airport's got me down. It ain't no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can be. Well, you can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train.